Guys, what's going on? And since I have absolutely no views, because I'm gonna be doing something that might attract some views. I am gonna be destroying my favorite Lego set, and it's this one right here. I'm still kind of working on it, but I'm like destroyed a whole bunch of other Lego sets, so I can make this. So, oh my god. Okay, guys, we're gonna be putting the iPad right here like this. Michael, move. Oh yeah, guys, my best friend Michael's right here.
What's up?
Here's this. That did not feel good.
Joe?
I probably scratched the glass on this. There's still this left.
What's up?
Rockers! I just did this.
He doesn't really care.
There's my Lego set.
Destroyed.
It's not there anymore.
I found someone.
I'll look at you. Okay, we're gonna. What the hell? We're just gonna make this video.
Oh, yeah,
maybe
guys,
a little.
I got $100.
Oh yeah, we had $100.
We're rich.
Yeah, Lego. Actually, no. For you guys, that says $1.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
There we go.
And
$100.
Look, this is what. If I see you guys.
Oh god. Oh shit. Oh shit, bro. Put that down. Don't point that at me, bro. I swear to God.
Got a shotgun.
I swear to shit.
We're in Compton, everybody.
Bro, I swear to God. Give me the shotgun. It's my shotgun. I kept that in my room, okay? Give me my shotgun.
Ew, what is that?
What?
We're in Compton, baby.
Shotguns, kid.
We're not actually in Compton. We
Yeah,
live somewhere
this
else.
is my cap gun. I can't find the...
But we don't live in Compton. We live somewhere good. In LA.
Yeah, we live somewhere good in LA.
Okay, bye, YouTubers.
We're not making this video 2 minutes long. We're making it like 5 minutes long. Michael, screw you. I'm just kidding.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's go to a different place. Now.
Oh yeah, guys. For you, I did Okay, no, we live in Canada somewhere because you can kind of tell we don't live in LA because Terry Fox. We did a Terry Fox run. We live somewhere in BC. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we live in I think it's near the mountains. It's freezing cold.
Jeez, I thought that was a real person.
Oh my God, you thought this stupid elephant was a person? Ja! Ja, ja! Oh, guys, here's a train track that, maybe I can get a little bit more views on. Michael, can you hold the iPad? Or wait, no, I'll just put it, like...
Why would you make a train set when we're not babies?
Sorry, guys. Okay, well...
His brother, Kingston, built this.
I built it with him. There's no way he actually built this. Okay, guys, 3, 2, 1.
I'm out. Oh, crap.
Ah! You're high, Michael. You're high.
I said
Rise! I'm the rage monster from Doof Perfect. Ah! Really, Michael? Michael! Ah! What the hell were you thinking? Ah! I'm gonna get him this.
Now we're gonna go play some hockey, guys. Bye.
Now I feel really bad about breaking my brother's train set and breaking my Lego set.
Yep.
I spent like 20 minutes building that, but like I only spent 20 minutes this morning because I broke all of it today. Ah, what the hell, Michael?
See you later, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna play some hockey now. See you later. It's been 5 minutes. See you later, guys.
Do you want to film our hockey for our next video? Make sure to check. Whoops. Make sure to check that out. I didn't mean to do that. Make sure to check that out. Okay, guys. What? Bye, guys.